Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Comerica. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the instruction correctly. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As for this video, I'm using Google. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link that is www.comerica.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page, in the top right corner, there's login. Tap on it. So once you do that, there is a drop down menu, and over here you can see that you will be directed into login interface. So the login information will be created after you sign up into your online banking account. For that, you'll have to tap on enroll in the bottom left corner. Next, you will be directed into enrollment page. So you can see that over here you'll have to provide the following information that is asked. Over here, make sure to enter the correct information that is linked with your bank account. So first of all, you can see that you'll have to enter your date of birth, and after that you'll have to enter your primary account number, and on the third step you'll have to select your account type. So in order to select it, you'll have to tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner. Once you do that, there's a drop down menu and you have a list of options. From here you'll have to select it accordingly, and on the fourth step you'll have to select your customer type. Once you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again. Only then tap on continue setup in the bottom right corner. As you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to provide more information, and once again after you're done providing all your information, tap on continue in the bottom right corner. So then on the third page there is terms and conditions, so make sure to go through it properly. And after you're done, on the fourth page you'll have to create web banking profile, which means that you'll have to create login information. And after you're done creating your login information, tap on continue. On the other page, you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of Comerica Bank. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.